And out here there's a engawa. Just needs some refinishing. Got a special worker today.
What?
Doing some sanding.
What? Dirty.
To sort out this floor. You can see over here, this is quite a pale pine, I guess, surface pine probably. I think in Japanese it's called hinoki. It's very nice when it's re-lacquered. Okay, Jub's been working hard here with a little orbital sander that I got. It's made by Akiya, which I thought only made photocopiers, but there you go. It's coming out pretty well. Some of the really deep marks we can't get out. You'd have to use a belt sander to get that far down, but I don't really want to take that much wood off anyway. Anyway, a little bit more and then we'll be able to add some lacquer. I'm looking to re-lacquer all of these timbers here because they weren't in great shape. But I've got a bunch of cables here. This one is actually just an extension cord that's been tacked in, so we can get rid of that for a start. And these ones are for antenna cables. For some reason this family wanted a TV in every room of the house, which I don't, so I'm going to take those out too. And that way I can do a better job of lacquering the timber. And there's one coat, already an improvement. It'll look a lot better with two. There's the second coat, a bit more consistent and a bit more glossy. Looks pretty good. We'll move on to the doors next. So we're still sanding back this hallway. Looks like that won't get finished on this trip. But I need to have something to do next time.